What's up? What's up? Good evening. Yes, see you again. Just received one box actually 2 days ago from Ruroc. This is the transition visor, which is free. FOC. Even the shipping is free, so I pay nothing. So happy. This is the Photochromic transition visor for this helmet. Okay, let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the one. Very happy because it is free. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Photochromic transition visor. Yes. Okay, what I want to do today, actually tonight, I want to change the visor, the clear visor, to photochromic transition visor. Okay, to open it up, it's very easy. Just quarter turn and pull the screw, plastic screw actually. Quarter turn. Okay. So you can pull this thing up and then we put in the new visor, where this visor will be permanent here. Permanent. I will not open it day and night. I can use let's see, one side, one side. Okay, one side. Okay, so to put it on, it's very easy. Just put in and then quarter turn. That's it. This side, same thing. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's open this visor. Still brand new. Looks like no different, right? Looks like no different. We only can tell when it's bright in the day sunlight. Okay, that's it. Happy. So far, very happy. Thumbs up. Thank you.